Hey guys, so today my hair looks crazy because today is actually my oiling hair care routine. So I'm gonna show you what oils I am using on my hair right now and also the rinse that I'll be using after. Alright, so what I have here right now available is my olive oil and then my coconut oil. So these are the oils that I will be mixing, and then I will also be using my Kerotin intensive hair growth drops, and then I'll be putting it in this bottle right here. So basically my proportion is 50% of the olive oil and then 50% of the coconut oil. Now I'm not gonna be adding a lot, probably just that much, because as I've said, there's no need to drench your hair with oils. So I'm also gonna be adding in the coconut oil right there. And then I will be adding in 1, 2, 3 drops of my Kerotin hair growth drops. And I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it to kind of like mix it all in. My hair is cray right now. I'm just gonna apply that directly on my scalp. And what I do like about the nozzle is that it has really the ability to make the oil like really touch your scalp. Actually, the purpose why I use the coconut oil, the VCO, and the olive oil together is because I'm experiencing a little bit of dry scalp, so it really helps with that, and at the same time it's really good for hair growth as well. So if you're dealing with dry scalp, it's really good to go for the oils that are very moisturizing on the scalp. Also, don't forget to put the oils on the nape area, or especially focus the oils on the area of your concern. For me, it's usually dryness happens here. Y'all notice I'm not really adding a lot. I'm just using whatever oils that I already put there because I don't want them on my face, because my face is very sensitive and I don't want my face to break out. Alright, so now that's done, I actually just did a quick 2-minute scalp massage. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the rest of the oil on my hair as well, all over my hair. And especially on my ends, because right now I'm maintaining them till my next trim. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Just gonna do that. My hair is completely covered in oil. So at this point, what I'll do with it is I'll put that in a little low bun. Since right now in the Philippines the weather is crazy hot, I'm not gonna put a plastic on my hair because I sweat really fast. But I'm gonna let the oils nest on my hair for about 15 minutes, and then after that use a hair growth rinse, and then I'm gonna be showing you the shampoo and the conditioner that I'm using right now. Alright, 15 minutes is up, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this rinse specifically just on my scalp because I'm using this for hair growth and also for a healthy scalp and all. This is actually one of the hair growth rinses that I have been trying out on my hair because for some reason I couldn't find cloves in my area. I'm like, a lot of people have been using cloves probably, but if you don't like cloves, this hair growth rinse actually smells good and it doesn't make my scalp itchy for some reason, which is a good thing and a plus. Also, let me know in the comments down below, you guys, if you want me to make a tutorial on this right here. So once again, I'm gonna leave this on my scalp for another 15 minutes, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off. For the shampoo, I'm gonna be using my Kerotin refreshing shampoo. It says here that it controls hair loss and promotes hair growth as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shampoo on my hair. And I'm basically not only gonna put this on my scalp but all over my hair because I applied oils all over my hair basically. So now that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and apply conditioner on my hair. And I'm also going to be using my Kerotin Collagen conditioner. Now typically, when I do oil my hair, I don't use conditioner. But right now, my ends are really getting dry. I think it's just because of the weather. So I opted to actually use conditioner this time, especially in the mid and the bottom part of my hair. Alright, now that is done, I'm going to leave that on my hair for about 2 minutes and then completely wash it off. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair looks like right now. It is very conditioned and moisturized. I can feel that my scalp has been moisturized, and at the same time all of like the dryness, especially in this area, is gone. And also this is what the rest of my hair looks like. I really like my oiling hair keratin because it really does wonders for the hair. Now that I'm back here in the Philippines, and since the weather is actually very hot and slash humid, sometimes it causes your hair to frizz and also your hair to dry out, especially the ends. So that's why it is important for me to combat it with using conditioning and moisturizing products, and also at the same time oiling my hair. Otherwise my hair will feel like a hay and I will get a lot of tangles if I don't do this routine from time to time. Okay, I know this is my oiling hair keratin, but since I have been neglecting putting this on my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's my Keratin Precision Hair Growth Serum. Put that on the areas to where I think I need more baby hair. And then I am using this. I think I've shown you guys this already, the hyaluronic acid detangling spray. And I'm gonna put that all over my hair because that's gonna help my hair not get tangled throughout the day. So if you all want to see more of my routine, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm definitely doing this healthy hair growth challenge this coming summer in my country. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!